Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Zach with Money Pit RC. Looks a little different around here. That's because I'm at school. So I'm in a hotel room. So don't mind the poor lighting, don't mind the poor sound, don't mind the poor background. I wanted to make a video. I'm bored in this hotel room, so we're gonna make a video. Next couple videos might be in this setting, so we didn't pack light. We brought a whole bunch of cars, a whole bunch of stuff to keep my mind busy. Today's video, I wanted to share with you a issue that I've had with a whole bunch of my TRX4Ms. So you buy a TRX4M, you start modifying, you put high clearance links on it. Yes, the high clearance links help, but then it also hurts you in a way. So right here, as you can see, high clearance links. What hangs below it? The drive shaft. So yes, it is great to install high clearance links, but then your lowest point now is the drive shaft. The high clearance links basically doesn't do anything. You're still gonna hit on the drive shaft. Since I'm in a hotel, I'm gonna share with you a non-permanent fix. I don't have my workbench here, so I don't have all the tools, but as we get into it, I can share those details with you. So like I said, I didn't pack light, I brought the mat. So let me get this wheel off so I can show you a little bit closer of what I'm working with. You can see the high clearance link, and then drive shaft hangs down low. So I'm going to show you an easy way on how to change the angle of the diff just so you can get a little bit more clearance and then make the high clearance links actually worth it. So we're just going to take it off the back. Alright, so all you're going to do is just take it off where it connects to the rear axle, the upper links. So now we have the upper links right here. So all you're going to do is, since these are the Enduro ones, spin them out, a couple threads. You don't want to spin them too far. So right here at the base where it connects to the skid plate, you spun it out a little bit, and you're going to do the same for the top. Spin it out a couple threads. Like I said, doesn't have to be much. You just want to add the extended length. And this is where I said that if I was at my shop, I would have made my own links a little bit longer. Hopefully you can see that and it's focusing. As you can see, you have threads exposed and threads exposed at the bottom and top. So that's all you're gonna do. You should be measuring them, make sure they're exactly the same because you don't want the axle to be twisted. But for hotel purposes, I think it'll be fine. So then all you're gonna do is just reinstall the links to your axle and you should be done. That is just tucked up there, just enough to kind of follow the line of the high clearance link. Let me get you back on the table, I'll show a little better example. All right, now that you're back up here, focus. You can see that the drive shaft kind of follows the angle of the high clearance link. And that's exactly what you want. So it kind of makes the high clearance links actually work, you know? So you're not getting snagged on the drive shaft. I feel like that was the biggest complaint when you're installing these high clearance links, that it makes the drive shaft the lowest point. You don't want that. So like I said, this is just kind of like a temporary thing. You don't want to run all the time with those threaded out because it just is more likely to either break. It will kind of strip out the plastic and then eventually just pull out so you can't thread it anymore. Permanent fix would just make your own links, which when we get back home, I will make my own links and I will make an update video. So if you buy high clearance links, just do this straight off the bat so you actually make it worth it, you know? You guys probably thought since we're in a hotel, he doesn't have the crawler tracks. I never come unprepared. Get ready for some crappy lighting. But 4M really doesn't like this wave because the sliders are so big and it gets caught. Oh, he only brought one obstacle? Nope. So maybe next time I'll bring some lights. That'll be on the future plans. If I'm ever here again, I'll bring lights. A lot of people have videos planned for when they're on vacation, but I don't. I kind of just film them and post them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's just a little hack on how to actually make your high clearance things worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. You know I enjoy reading through all your feedback. Catch you guys in the next video.